Good morning, children. We are going to draw and color beautiful picture on Republic Day. Draw according to me. Divide your sheet into two parts with the curved lines. Now you can follow the same. Draw one line more. Okay. Draw some triangles to give a festival look it. Both the sides we will draw some triangles. Okay. Now in the middle we will draw a bird. To draw the face of the bird, we are taking the help of the letter C. Okay. Now draw the body of the bird. And with the curved line, you can draw the stomach of the bird and the wing tail. Complete the tail first. Okay. Now we will draw two wings. One is complete and one is at the back side. Okay. Draw the beak. Okay. We will show a small twig in the beak of the bird. Bird is carrying a small twig. Yes. Now one eye you can show. Okay. After this, we will draw a flag. Okay, Indian flag. So we will draw 4 lines to show the 3 colors of the flag. One is orange, second is white, and third line for the green. Yes, very good. Now in the middle, you can show the Ashok Chakra. You can take the help of any round object to draw the half circle. Divide it with the small lines to show the shape of the chakra. Yes. After completing your drawing, you will erase this extra line. Yes. Now your drawing is completed. So you can outline your picture with the black sketch pen. If you have marker, use marker. Otherwise, you can use sketch pen also. Okay, children, start coloring now with the orange color. Fill orange in both the lines. Okay, complete with the orange. Slowly and neatly you will finish it. And green color all the triangles. Now yellow color. I am filling yellow color in the face of the bird. And same yellow color I am using for the tail also. Finish it. Now fill orange color in wings. Both the wings complete with the same orange color. Okay. After completing wings, fill green color and complete the bird with the green. Blue color in the middle. Now red color for the beaks and complete the twig also. Draw the feet of the bird. Now complete orange color again in the flag. Now we are completing the flag. Our picture is looking beautiful, children. Have patience, do neatly. Yes. Leave the middle line. Last line fill with the green. Green you can choose light or dark, any. Any green color you can take, light green or dark green. Fill it neatly. Do outlining and fill the middle with the same color. Okay. Now complete the chakra. Dark blue and light blue, I am taking both. Okay. After finishing it, you can enjoy your picture. Give a shadow to the bird with the light blue color. Wow, it's a beautiful picture.